In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send contracts in Freshsales. We are going to walk through the process of sending a contract directly from a deal or contact record. This is helpful when you want everything organized in one place, and when you want the right person to receive the right document without extra searching. To begin, open the deal or contact record that you want to work with. If you are using a deal, start from your deals area and select the specific deal where the contract is connected. If you are working with a contact instead, find the contact record that represents the person or organization you are preparing the contract for. Take a moment here to confirm that you have chosen the correct record, because the contracts you send will be associated with that context in Freshsales. Next, once the record is open, you will click the Contracts or Documents tab. On most pages, this is one of the main sections within the record view. If you are not seeing it right away, look for it among the tabs near the top or side of the record page. This tab is where Freshsales stores document-related actions for that deal or contact. Using this tab helps keep your document history in one place, so you can track what was sent and when. After you are on the Contracts or Documents tab, select a template or upload your document. If your organization uses predefined templates, you can choose the template that matches the type of contract you need to send. That ensures you are using the correct formatting and standard wording. If you instead need to use a custom version, you can upload your document. When you upload, make sure the file you are adding is the final version you want the recipient to review. This step matters because the document you send is the one the recipient will base their signature or review on. Now, after selecting or uploading the contract, you should review the recipient details. Before you send anything, check that the right person and the correct contact information are selected. This typically includes verifying the recipient name and ensuring the delivery destination looks correct. If Freshsales offers recipient selection or confirmation fields, take a moment to confirm that they match the deal or contact you opened earlier. This helps prevent sending the document to the wrong address or to the wrong stakeholder. As you review the details, also take a brief moment to confirm that the contract content matches your expectations. Even though you chose a template or uploaded a file, it is still a good habit to quickly glance at the document name or preview. You want to ensure you are sending the intended version, especially if your workflow involves multiple agreement types. This short check can save time later if a revision becomes necessary. When everything looks correct, you are ready to proceed with sending, using the options available on the Contracts or Documents tab. In most cases, there will be a Send or Initiate Sending action after you confirm recipients and the correct template or file. Follow whatever on-screen confirmation prompts appear, and make sure the final review step shows the correct document and recipient. That is the full workflow. Open the right deal or contact record. Go to the Contracts or Documents tab, select the appropriate template or upload your document, and then review the recipient details so you can send with confidence. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.